Hi everyone! Today, we're tackling a common but frustrating error in Java programming. You might have seen it. Java.io.IOException. Invalid status code 403 text, forbidden. This error stops your Java application in its tracks. It means your program tried to access something and the server said no. Let's break down what this error is. We will also explore why it happens. Most importantly, we'll cover how to fix it. What exactly is this error? It's a Java input-output exception. Your program is trying to read or write data over a network. The invalid status code 403 part is key. 403 is an HTTP status code. It specifically means forbidden. The server understood your request. It just refused to fulfill it. It's not a server crash or a network issue. The server is actively telling you that you don't have permission. So, why does this happen? There are several common reasons. First, permissions are often the culprit. Your program might not have the necessary rights to access the resource. You might be trying to reach a private API endpoint. Second, authentication and authorization issues are very common. You might be missing an API key. Maybe your API key is incorrect. Your access token could be expired. The server needs to know who you are. It also needs to know if you are allowed to access the resource. Third, IP restrictions can cause this. Some servers only allow requests from specific IP addresses. If your IP address isn't on that list, you'll get a 403. Fourth, user agent blocking is another possibility. Your Java HTTP client might send a generic user agent header. Some websites or APIs block requests that don't look like they come from a standard web browser. Fifth, rate limiting can trigger a 403. You might be sending too many requests too quickly. The server sees this as suspicious. It temporarily blocks your access. Sixth, firewall or proxy issues on either end could be blocking the connection. Now, how do we fix it? Let's go through some solutions. First, check your permissions. Are you actually allowed to access this resource? Is it public or private? Do you need to log in or register? Second, verify your authentication. Double-check your API keys. Make sure they are correct. Ensure they are not expired. Confirm you are sending them in the right HTTP header. Often, this is the authorization header. Third, read the documentation. Always refer to the API or website documentation. It will clearly state the required authentication methods. It will also specify any access limitations. Fourth, change your user agent. If you are scraping a public website, try setting a common browser user agent string in your Java code. This makes your request look more legitimate. Fifth, implement rate limiting handling. If you suspect rate limiting, add delays between your requests. You can also use a retry mechanism with exponential backoff. This waits longer after each failed attempt. Sixth, test with a browser or tool. Try accessing the exact URL in your web browser. Does it work? Use tools like Postman or curl to send the request. If these tools work, the problem is likely in how your Java code constructs the request. Seventh, check your network and firewall. Make sure no local firewall on your machine is blocking outgoing connections from your Java application. Finally, add extensive logging. Log the full URL. Log all headers you send. Log the request body. Also, log the server's full response. This includes its headers and body. This detailed logging will help you pinpoint exactly what your program is sending and receiving. It will show you where the discrepancy lies. Understanding and debugging the 403 forbidden error can save you a lot of time. It's a clear message from the server. It tells you exactly what kind of problem you're facing. Remember to systematically check permissions, authentication, and your request details. Thank you for watching. I hope this explanation helps you solve your Java IO exceptions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more programming tips and tutorials. Your support helps this channel grow.